and good Easter. Happy Easter. I hope you have had a wonderful Easter time so far. Today I am going to show you how my father's boat is done with antifouling on. You'll see also some other clips, so how the process has been. So, as always, subscribe to the channel and a thumbs up. My thumbs are not really clean because I've been painting and painting comes on my fingers. So, yeah. And as always, smile, because a smile is contagious. So if you smile, someone else will get the smile and smile to another one. Happy Easter! Hello, today it is time to add some red paint, underpaint, to this boat so we can get it out on the water. So now I'm vacuuming and soon I will wash it down with acetone and then I will paint the red antifouling. As you see now, the antifouling is on the boat, and as soon as it is dry and the Easter is over, we will put this baby into the sea so we can use it and catch fish and enjoy the time on the sea. It's a 15-foot silver Viking, and it was bought in 1984, so it's quite old. So, as always, subscribe to the channel and a thumbs up. That's important. Have a happy Easter, everyone. Okay, bye-bye.